I was in my house the other day and heard commotion unlike what I'm used to hearing. I was concerned. I went out front to see what happened. The boom lift that my neighbors had rented to take out the rest of the tree in the backyard had fallen into a septic tank. The septic tank collapsed. I guess they weren't aware of the old septic tank, but it collapsed and it took in the whole front tire. And the basket ended up against the house. Andrew ended up with 3 broken ribs, my neighbor, and I did not film any of the fire rescue, ambulance, none of that, out of respect for my neighbor. Obviously, I did not catch the accident happening. This is basically showing them taking it out. I did not get the actual video where they pulled it up, but I've got some video.
Appreciate all the help, guys.
Thank you. I will. Thank you so much. We have minimal damage of the house, not enough people.
Nothing there. I fixed it later.
Hopefully they don't notice anything. Are they on their way?
So he put down his sidearms and took the cable?
Cable and drug it back that way.
I saw the cable, but I thought they were getting ready to. I didn't know they were taking it down.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's how that little one was able to get it out. You had both of them getting it out.
No.
That makes sense now.